There are some completely bizarre money laundering schemes that are being worked on. For example, planes filled with cash heading to Nagaland. The Income Tax Department is now going to probe this case.
Is this man from Nagaland with political links involved in laundering nearly 7 crores? Income tax sources say Inato Zimomi, the son-in-law of former Nagaland Chief Minister and sitting MP Neiphiu Rio, and one of his associates were caught with 3.5 crore rupees in cash, all in old 500 and 1,000 rupee notes at the Dimapur airport on Tuesday. From this airstrip in Hisar, the money was taken on a chartered flight. After the CISF seized the money, Zimomi showed them this, saying the cash was his money from agricultural sources and was meant for a land deal in Hisar that did not materialize. As a Naga tribal, Zimomi is exempt from paying income tax. He was allowed to leave the airport with the cash.
On last Tuesday, when he came to Dimapur in a charter aircraft, the Intelligence Bureau tipped off the CISF and the income tax. The CISF seized 3.5 crores from the aircraft, but under mysterious circumstances, the money was let out of the airport. Zimomi flew back to Delhi in the same aircraft the next day.
The money was recovered on Wednesday night after tax officials questioned Zimomi in Delhi. Sources say Zimomi made 4 trips from Hisar to Dimapur, ferrying 6.7 crore rupees after the cash cleanup was announced. Investigators say searches at the home and office of the Delhi-based businessman have yielded jewellery worth 1 crore. One of his accounts that had 2.5 crore rupees has been frozen. 4 crore has been seized from Zimomi's account. The official suspects the cash doesn't belong to either men and was being laundered for others.
This case points out as to how chartered flights can escape detection to ferry large amounts of money to places like Nagaland, where the Tribal Act can be misused to convert black money into white. With Ratnadeep Chaudhary in New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.